package has arrived. And we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it.
That's what she said. Is the battery in it?
Fail number 1. This
And
is
it's probably gotten an
awesome.
internal memory.
It is amazing. Woo! It's good. So now let's switch it around and I'll see you guys in this camera. There we go. Oh my god, this is so weird. This is so nice. I feel too short for this shot. This is gonna make a giant difference. I'm gonna be able to record forever and I'm gonna try not to look at myself all the time because you can see my eyes go that way. So now I actually have to stare at you. And we're back. So I wanted to share a few things with you guys, which I think have been super exciting. First of all, that I am recording with my new camera, which is super awesome and exciting. One little fun thing, I guess it's just the funny things of having your own small little business and things that get you excited that you never thought you were going to be excited for. So I went out and I found these tiny little boxes. These tiny little boxes are going to be, I guess, for orders that are for more of like more than one pin, maybe 2 or 3, depending. I'll see how I feel. I had an order for 2 pins and I felt maybe the other one might have been too tight, so I might be trying these out, little boxes, and see how I like them. So I was really excited. Amazing thing, crazy thing, that literally I've been looking for boxes like these for a while now, and I was looking online and I couldn't find anything. And believe it or not, crazy, I ended up stopping at a FedEx, and the guy there saw us looking at boxes and he's like, oh, so pretty much what he said was like, go over there to that street over there. There's a store over there that they sell boxes and it's more wholesale and higher quantities and cheaper prices that'll probably work better for you. So we're like, okay, thank you. And we left. We went, literally the store is across the street from where I live, and I can't believe that it has been so close to me and I never realized it, that it was right there. So I am happy. I got a dozen of them to try them out to see if it is, and soon, once I feel like I have an order that will work with it, I will send that in the little box. So that one's really cute. Other random stuff that it is, I got a new, you can't see it, I got a new tattoo. If you could see it there. So at first I was like, oh my god, I don't know what I did. Did I mess up? Is it a weird tattoo? What it is, it's I guess the eye, your third eye of intuition, and it's a big reminder for me to continue to follow my intuition, continue to follow what my intuition tells me. I just repeated myself, but and I think this whole thing that I'm doing right now, and how much I've changed my YouTube channel and my small business and following it and really taking it as a business, is me following my intuition. And this is going to be something great. That this is something that it's going to grow, and that I am going to grow as a person. It's just going to be awesome. So yes, that is, I think, some of the small things I wanted to share with you guys. Aside from, also, we have no central AC, and I'm dying because I made Steven turn off the fans, and I am starting to sweat like a pig, and I'm sure he is too. So I want to keep this short and sweet. I don't want to bore you guys. If you have any ideas or anything you want to share, down below, share it with me. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. My goal for this year, if you guys can help me out for the end of the year, is to hit 500 subscribers. So I am working my butt off to get 500 subscribers at the end of this year. So I have 6 months for it. So if you would love to support me, and more importantly, if you love watching my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I will be uploading videos, which will be every Wednesday, hit that little notification bell and it will notify you when my next video is at. So thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. why I need my privacy. So today I received the new order from the other pen, and I looked, and this packaging is from Uline, so I liked that I was actually able to tell where it's from, and it's a bubble mailer. So, oh, this is so cute. Go away here. This is so cute. Now that I kicked them out. Oh, baby, look. Oh, cute. It's cute how they did it, huh? I was gonna say, now that I like kicked you out, I was like hoping you were here so you could see this. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like this idea. This is so adorable. Goals, babe. This is goals. This is goals. Okay, so send this little card right here. It's a little stamp card. Look, it's a stamp and you can send it out. This is so adorable. Which I like it because it gives it the space for her to put it on the packaging. Then a little free sticker. And then something that I like that she does, because I think this is probably the same size of, are they? Is it the same size? No, mine are a little bit bigger. This is it. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so fucking cute. And then she does the pen outside, so this lace kind of flat, like it's more flat, and then this is outside instead of how I did mine where it's like inside, and then it kind of does like make the plastic a little funny. I just bought 200 of those bags, so I don't know what to do. This is so adorable. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Babe, come look at this. And so what she does, babe, she puts it in here inside the little baggie.
Oh, and then pierces it through?
Yeah. Oh, I did it the other way. Yeah, and then so this is outside. And it looks really clean. Like the bag looks really clean like that. Let me show you. How she would this be a struggle to get it in there? I don't know. And then so then she'll pierce it, put it like this.
That way it doesn't bend the plastic.
Yeah, and look, it feels like really clean, like the way it is. Because mine, you know how mine like kind of bends a little?
Yeah, there you go.
This is perfect. Like this is exactly what I was looking for. Like, so I guess it's, I don't know about the bubble mailers, but this is honestly goals. I really like this a lot. So name of the shop is, let me see if I can do it right here. This is Norris Studio, norrisstudio.com. I guess that's their website, but I bought it at Etsy. Can't see it. Go buy their stuff. Like, this is, if you want to get something that is super cute, super adorable to buy, this is amazing. This is really, really, really nice. Oh, it's so cute. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you can see behind me, I'm currently editing the video that you'll be watching right now. So thank you again. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.